and welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie, and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today's tip actually comes from a viewer question, / request. So I'd like to answer this question for all you guys out there, so you guys have the benefit of the information too. This customer was asking about Paris green, which is an antique color. And when I say antique color, that means a color that was readily available in the past but is no longer available now. She was asking, like, what is the closest substitute for like Paris green now that we have available? The answer to that is like emerald green, which the base of that one is PG21. So it's a green pigment that is very, very similar. Behaviorally, it's a little bit different, but that's pretty much the closest that you're going to get in terms of like how it looks. And the reason that Paris green isn't available anymore is that it was made from a very, very, very poisonous copper and arsenic derivative. It was bad news, man. They used it for killing insects and a wood preservative, and you could get like horrible skin reactions from contact with the skin. So it was like no joke. It's a really good thing that is not available anymore, but people really liked it because it was a very vibrant yellow green. It was, you know, full of life and really, really beautiful. And emerald green is very, very similar and a whole lot safer, less likely to kill you, and therefore much better. We hope that this answers your question for any of you who are curious out there. If you have questions, please let us know. We're available through email and also through your comments here on YouTube. We do read them and pay attention. If you have questions, please feel free to send them on. We'll be happy to address them as we can. And we thank you for watching and hope that you enjoy.